English listening practice. Topic 1. When will my cousin arrive? Listen carefully. Hey Sam, I hope you are doing well. I want to invite you at my home. I am throwing a party this weekend, and my family and my classmates are also coming this weekend, and you have to be here at 6 o'clock. The party will start at 6 o'clock as well, and my cousin is also coming. You met him before at the zoo. He will be here at 6:15. See you and don't be late. When will my cousin arrive? At 6:15. Which watch did I select? Listen carefully. Hey Sally, I saw a photo that you sent me before on my FB. Yes, there are so many beautiful watches. I want to buy a present for my friend. His birthday is coming this week. But I don't like this one. This dark blue. As I told you before, my friend doesn't like dark colors. But I really like this one, sky blue. But I just don't understand. Okay, I know what to do. I'm just gonna buy this one, this gray one. So could you please send me here at my home as soon as possible? See you. Which watch did I select? I selected the gray one. When is Peter's birthday? Listen carefully. Hey Mark, sorry about that. I was offline. I just got your message. What? You forgot again your friend's birthday? But don't worry. His birthday is coming this week in June 21st and he invited us. So we will go there together. When is Peter's birthday? In June 21st. I hope you love this video. Watch next this video and learn phrasal verb about food and drink. If you want more videos just like this, let me comment below. And how many answers did you get right?